guys, I just thought I'd come on here and do a quick video on how to replace the crystals that may have fallen off your Havaianas, as this is one of the most requested videos I get, and I thought it'd be a lot easier if I showed you how we're going to replace this missing crystal than to send out email instructions. So first of all, I'm going to show you what you need to complete your repair, and then I'm going to do it step by step. Okay, so let's get into it. Okay, so I'm going to show you everything you need for the repair, and at the end of the video I'm going to leave a list so you can screenshot what you need in case you don't have it all at home and you need to go and buy it. So first of all, we need our Havaiana or Havaianas, whatever has the crystals missing. The baggie of crystals that were sent with your Havaianas. If you don't have any or you've lost them, please let me know and I will send you some more. A pair of tweezers, some Q-tips, and metho or rubbing alcohol to clean the area before we put the crystal on. Some acetone, which I bought from the hardware store, but you can also get them from the chemist in little bottles like this. I think this one was $7.95, so it's quite a bit more expensive than buying it in bulk, but if you're not going to use it, you should get the little one. Also, you could use the nail polish remover, but it has additives in it and it doesn't work as well as the pure acetone. And last of all, we need some super glue. So there's all different types of super glue, but any type is fine. Now we can start repairing our Havaianas. I've actually put the metho in the lid so I don't spill it everywhere, and I'm just going to clean the area where the crystal fell off. So ready, I generally keep my crystals in containers like this, and I use the lid as a tray, so you can put them on a saucer or anything that you can use as a tray. If you haven't had any experience with super glue or you're a bit worried, I suggest you have a little practice before you actually glue the crystals on. So I will show you exactly how much glue we're going to need for this repair, because if it goes over, it can actually ruin the rest of the crystals. So this super glue has two black push control buttons, so it tries to control how much super glue comes out, but generally, like, I don't know if you can see that, if I push it, the glue comes out. So you need a tiny bit of glue, so you probably don't even need to push it very much. And then that little spot there is how much glue you need. Okay, so now that we've done our glue test, we can actually glue the crystal onto the Havaiana. So we need our tweezers and the crystals and the glue. So now we're going to just put a little dot where the crystal is missing. I don't know if you can see the little glue dot, but it's the tiniest amount, like I put on the paper. And then we just get the crystal with our tweezers, so the foil backing down, and we just put it in the space, and there, it's perfect. Super glue allows you to move it around a little bit too, so you can move it around a little bit. And then when you're happy where it is, we put it aside and let it dry for about 10 minutes, just to make sure it's secure. So I'll be back in 10 minutes. Now that our crystal is stuck down, you should be able to run your fingers along it and it won't come off. And I'm running that along there pretty hard, so it should be stuck permanently. Now, to clean the crystals, because sometimes the fumes out of the super glue actually make the crystals go cloudy, or if your crystals are dirty, you can use the same method to clean them. What we're going to do is get our Q-tip and our acetone. So I've got this one from the chemist, or you can use the one from the hardware store. It's still the same stuff. You just dip the Q-tip in it and you just rub over the crystals. So you can rub quite hard over them and it cleans them. And then you just get a cloth or a microfiber cloth and then just polish them by rubbing over that, and they become sparkly again. So they start sparkling again. And you wouldn't even know that you had to replace the crystal because they look brand new. But that is how you replace them. Now that you have learned how to replace the crystals on your Havaianas, I'd like to say thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please let me know. You can either DM me or email me and I will answer them as soon as possible. If you have any suggestions for some other videos, please let me know. But until my next video, I will see you all later. Thank you. Bye.